Again, and welcome to my exhibition of 50 paintings that are 12 by 24 inches and 4 prizes for the drawing in the end of July, at the end of the 3rd week. And I had a look and I thought if I tipped them, you'd see them better. Hopefully my head's not in the way. No, I guess not. I think it's that way I should tip them. Anyway, they'll be the thumbnail. Hopefully you can see all the nice shimmer. It's not excessive. A few dog hairs. Free dog hair with every purchase. And from that point on, I'm going to show you some of, well, I'm going to show you, wait, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities are my books, volumes 1 and 2, on the Amazon link under the link tree, which is the link that's the first blue link underneath the video. And that's a great place to also find all kinds of other stuff. So this was Amazing Life, and that was from way before fluid acrylic pouring. And I'm going to check and see that I'm in frame, because I tried to put little markings down on my Lolafy silicone mat, and that looks pretty good. I can do that. This is one of the, before I was doing do-overs in fluid art, I was doing do-overs and other things, so that was pretty cool. And a lot of this was fluid acrylics, it just didn't have pouring medium in it. And this was with, obviously, with a palette knife and much heavier body paint. And there's no shimmer in there, but the blackness sort of reflects in the light. Now, I'm thinking that any of these 12 by 24s that are black, check this out, will look fabulous if I put a little coat of, a really light coat of a semi-gloss varnish on there. I think it will make everything much more dramatic, and so that is what's going to happen. Let me make sure I'm all in frame. I'm in good frame. Alright, so same here, and don't worry, I'm going to hurt the artwork, because the truth is it's waterproof as long as you haven't used water or glue. So I wanted to show you guys the fantastic difference. That cloth should be a whole lot wetter before and after, and I'll get little bits of filaments from the paper towel also, but so I'm just going to keep going as best I can. I'm going to grab a stack, in fact. Put those down over here and check that these are in frame, and try and stack things that I've already shown and check, because I only have 50 paintings this time. Hopefully I get them all done. So let's just go for it. So that was dribbles and ribbons, I'm sure. This is fantastic. I love this. This is probably Anita's white pearl, white metallic. I call it pearl all the time. I call this one lionfish. They're a little dusty, but they're pretty safe. That's full of silver and black and gunmetal gray and Anita's black metallic. This is new. This is very recent, when I started painting the backgrounds black. And so this is my Artist Loft Walmart combination. And the nice thing about it is it's the same across the board. So if I have any spots, like that one spot and that one spot, I can fill that in, and that'll just hide perfectly. I don't think you guys have seen this video yet, but this is a fantastic piece. I absolutely love this. Hopefully the light is reflecting correctly. This may be also another new video that you have not seen, and I'm not sure how far to go, but from my angle, it's better to tip it that way. So let's grab a few more as best we can. These are some older ring pour style. Move these out of the way. Let me put these someplace I can get to them in a minute, basically. So this has got some great shimmer to it. And I think once the background has a semi-gloss on it, it will make the colors pop and it will deepen the blackness. And that'll be a really good thing. There's another one that's cousin to the last one. I'll try and get these so they won't fall over. You'd think I'd have this down by now, wouldn't you? There we go. Please don't fall over again. Please, please, please don't fall over. Okay, I got it. Finally. Odd dog hairs. Otherwise, nice, nice shimmer. I'm not sure. I may see shimmer and color, and you might see reflected light. So this is this makes me want to do this again. Only this time I'm going to paint the background black like this and that, and do some ring pours all tipped, because I think that's fantastic. I think if I had people at my gallery, a lot of these things would not be around anymore. So that looks to me a lot like a dustpan pour. And you can tell I work outside because there are a few little things occasionally that don't belong that are going to stay there forever. Let me grab some more. Oh, keep track of the time. If you have an interest in purchasing a painting, if you keep track of the time, I can look the painting up for you. And the email address, my email address is directly below the video, right under the link tree. So that's another one that's obviously a dustpan pour as far as I'm concerned. Less stripy than I would expect, but really nice cells. Great patterns in there. And it looks like I did a little skewer waggling also. This one, I think I went back. There is a video, and I think I went back right at the end, and I just went crazy with adding spirals. Let's see if I can get the... It's a little duller than some of the others, but it's definitely another candidate for adding a very light coating of gloss to, and darkening up the black and making the colors pop a little more. That looks like it needs repair. I'm not sure where that came from. This is from a while back too. So that's definitely going to get something done. That's going to take some work because it looks like some of the paint that was on the background has shifted off. That's the polite way of saying chipped. This is another dustpan pour. Hopefully I'm still in frame. I had my little markers, but they moved. All right, so let's bring over some more. And hopefully nothing falls down. Please don't fall down. I've got a few flowers, and I'm going to have to check and see that you can see them. That's the one I just used the paper towel on to show you guys. And that you cannot see tall. I'd have to put that sideways. Well, I'll just do that. So turn your tablet sideways to see that one. That was ring poured flowers. There's a video. There are videos from most of these. Let's see if that's got great shimmer. I don't know if you can see. There's quite a bit of reflection. That's another candidate. Both of those are candidates for having a single coat of gloss. This is a Gardenscape. Hopefully you can... I want to pull that someplace where you can see it better. And this is absolutely fantastic. I love this. But it's still another Gardenscape, bottom, top. And there are videos for these. And if you ask me for the number, if you give me the time you saw it and you ask me for the video number, I will look it up for you. In case you can't. But my videos are arranged. There's 1,434 videos at the moment, and they are arranged. This is a Gardenscape by the 100 and by, oh, I don't know. I must have 18 or 19 genres, and a lot of things cross over from one to the other. So if you're ever looking for something, you can use just one word like flowers or garden or swipe, and you'll find a whole lot of videos will come up. So pardon my dead air. Try not to, I'm almost done, which means I should look at my list. No, I've got a whole nother stack. Never mind. I'm not almost done. So this is something that was a multi-part video, should be in do-overs or multi-stage processes. And I went back in and I added the clouds, the spiral clouds, and they're raised, and I love the texture of this. It's great. Let me make sure I'm in frame. Yes, I can even zoom in a little. There we go. Hopefully I'll stay there. There's the moon, some beautiful pink clouds. That one I'm not sure that I would do anything more than a semi-gloss or excuse me, maybe a matte finish on just the black parts to darken up the sky. This is a video that's coming. This is Northern Lights, and that was my first try on a larger venue. This is my second one. I like the more random looking. I think I got some adjustments to make. Sky. This is gorgeous. I had several people ask me to purchase this and nobody's gotten back to me. So if you guys ever want anything printed on canvas or a t-shirt or leggings, if I can make leggings I will. If I can't, I can't. I'll let you know. But you can always mention stuff. So this is new. It's got a little texture once I'm outside, and once I put a few layers over things. Sometimes I get dog hair too, a few marks here and there, but I love this. Great shimmer, really great shimmer. Hopefully you can see all that. And this is a really old swipe that's still gorgeous with lots of shimmer in it, but not overpoweringly so. Just beautiful colors. And I'm hoping that it's about 100 degrees out today and the humidity is incredibly high, so I wanted to make this video outside, but no, it's not happening today because it would just be too horrible to talk about and not fun at all to drag all these paintings in and out of the house. This was recent. I love this. This is gallery wrapped. This is recent. This is a video that's on Phoenix Rising Priscilla Batzell art with no commercials for a minute, and then I'm going to drag it over to Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Priscilla Batzell. It looks like dancers in the crowd to me. Looks like a parade. Here's the swipe. And I'm getting close to my end, so I should really think about telling you guys again, check out the link tree for Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, all my Facebook links, Facebook group Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation for Students. That's the one. It reminds me of Christmas crackers, those toy wrapped up tubes that you pull and you find a piece of a plastic toy and a party hat and some other stuff. And I should definitely move that around to show the shimmer. This is a video I don't think you've seen yet, and it's kind of plain for me, and I'm not 100% yet, but it's got some great shimmer. And if you're not looking for overstated, but you still want some fairly bold colors, this is pretty good. It may become something else someday if I don't change my mind about it, but I still like it enough to keep it right now. This was already shown in another video as a recent artwork, and it's fantastic. It's a very shimmery burst. Sans cardboard or brown paper or whatever that was. And this was a recent video. I mean, like it just aired, and this was a different swipe, and then wow, that's got some amazing that's just, the color shifts in there. The purple is blue and the blue is purple, and it's just fantastic. This is a ghost swipe. It's a simple swipe, and I love this swipe. It's just sublime, just like it is. The turquoise and blue all turn different colors. I am getting right down to the end of what I have to share. This is recent-ish. Remember to keep track of the time if you're interested in purchasing something. And I do give classes at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. I obviously sell my artwork. If you have an interest in any of the artwork, just send me an email. I want to thank everybody for all the contributions that have helped keep me painting all this time. Really, really important. And those paintings that are up for the contributors to the studio, or studio supporters I like to call you guys, remember, I'll try and drag those forward at the end again. Hopefully my camera will stay working until this is over. This is awesome. I'm not sure this is for sale. I think I may be having to keep this one. But it's awesome. I think, anyway. This is another one. Same story. If I had a private collection, and I kind of do, we'll see. Depends on who asks and whatever. Those two would be in it. This is pretty cool too. I'm not sure which way is up. I think your way is, I think this is up. That one could have a little light coat of something up across the top. But I kind of like that matte up there too. So remember my Amazon link. And if you shop there, it's at no added cost to you. That looks like something's stuck. I'm constantly plagued by flakes of paint. Anyway, so let's bring those 4 back again. And see if we can't put them all in the picture. Although I kind of think we probably can't. So let's put 2 of them in and then 2 of them in. So that's an awesome swipe. And that's, I called that one a dump because it was a puddle pour. Oh, yeah, there we go. Cool, but much better. So there's those 2. Those are in the drawing. That'll be probably 6 p.m. July 21st. And there are the other 2. So this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard saying thank you for all your wonderful comments. You keep my morale boosted. I love you guys. We are celebrating 88,250 plus subscribers today and gained about 1,000 in the shortest amount of time in the last 6 months in a few days. So I want to say welcome to everybody who's just here for the first time, and I hope you go to created playlists and all playlists and check out the genres. And if you're ever looking for something, I'm your girl. Just ask me and I will get back to you as soon as I can. I love you all very much. If you need to know I set a timer, it's because my camera shuts off at 20 minutes. Oh, hey, wait. No, I found a few more. Okay, well that was weird. I got just enough time to show you. That is a dustpan pour, unparalleled. I love this. So there's one. This is recent, so recent it hasn't aired yet, I believe. That's a triple shovel pour. And what else? And that's a video coming up soon too. This is maybe one of my favorite paintings. And that was also a dustpan pour and then tilted. So you guys take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I love you all. I think I said that. I'm looking around making sure I didn't miss anything else. And I'm good to go. And I'll tell you again, this is Priscilla Batzell at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the front room, not in the backyard. And I remembered to say it right this time. Cool. Good way to end. You guys, I'll see you anon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.